How to download Twitter app on your Android mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the Twitter app on your Android mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your Android phone and head over to the Google Play Store. You will find the Play Store app on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the one with the colorful triangle icon. And once you are in the Play Store, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are here, you can see the search bar at the top. Simply tap on it and type Twitter in the search bar. And once you're done with it, simply tap on the search button or the magnifying glass icon. And after that, in the search result, look for the official Twitter app. It's usually the first result and features a black logo with a bold X. Don't be confused. Twitter has rebranded, but this is the app you are looking for. Simply tap on it, and once you are in the app page, you will find details like reviews and screenshots. Look for the install button and simply tap on it. Now the app will start downloading and installing in your device. This takes times depending on your internet speed. So sit tight for the moment. And once the installation is complete, you can simply open the app from your home screen or the app drawer. If you are new to Twitter, simply tap create account and follow the prompts to get started. But if you have already an account, simply tap continue with Google or your preferred login option. Select your account and you are all set. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded and set up Twitter on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.